Welcome to the Snap Info YouTube channel. Now, together with you, we will try to explain how to use Google Lens on a computer in this video. Google Lens allows you to search for anything using just a photo. Previously available only on mobile, you can now use this feature on your PC as well. To use Google Lens on your computer, follow these steps. First, go to the Google homepage. Click on the Google Lens icon located on the right side of the search bar. In the small window that opens, you can either upload a photo from your computer or paste an image URL. After that, Google Lens will do its job. It will show you what the product is, where to find it, or even translate the text inside the image for you. In this video, together with our followers, we tried to explain how to use Google Lens on a PC. That was our video. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button below. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.